After I finished acting in one of my theater shows, Chef Pipkins blessed us with a very delicious meal after the show. It was roasted chicken, mashed potatoes, green beans, had a roll with it, and that sweet tea was off the hook. Y'all see I'm just steady munching in this video. That sweet tea was on it. And the peach cobbler, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and rate that. That was the best part. 10 out of 10. I mean, Lord have mercy. Y'all see the look on my face. I could barely speak. Y'all check out Brother Chef Pipkins and get a delicious meal from him.